Hi and welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria. The Kano Emirship Tussle has taken another dimension as Embattle 15th Emir Aminu Bayero has formally notified the Kano State Police Command of his intention to conduct this year's Sallah Durbar to mark the Eid al-Fitr festival celebration. Now move to Borno State. The Borno State Command of the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps has arrested a couple for beating up 11-year-old school pupil who alleged entered their residence to pluck mangoes. The victims has been since taken to University of Maiduguri Teaching Hospital for medical attention. The suspects are currently at Gender Units CID State Criminal Investigation Department Maiduguri as investigations are ongoing before prosecution. Nigerian Customs Service have recovered a sum of $193,000 cash concealed in a carton of yogurt at the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport, Abuja. Now, insecurity. 9 members of Askarawa Vigilance Group have been killed in an ambush by some bandits in Anka local government area of Zamfara State. Similarly, troops of the Nigerian Army recover 900 roasted animals after gun battle with bandits in Zamfara State. Still on insecurity, the Nigerian troops have repelled attack by Boko Haram terrorists on a military base in Madagali local government area of Adamawa State. On Friday, Nigerian Army raids bandits head out in Taraba State, arrest gun runners. This update is brought to you by the News Chronicle. You can share your view in the comment sections. Like, comment and share. Now, politics. Political tension rise in Kano State as APC threatens state of emergency in the state. Former Minister of Youth and Sports, Barrister Solomon Dalon, said Tinubu is the only person declared president in Nigerian history without scoring 60% votes. There is growing tension in the APC as reports suggest that president is trying to extend the tenure of party officials to strengthen his control over the party. Now back to Kano again. Suspension deepen Kano NNPP crisis as top members plot defections to APC. Now from the international scene, Turkey arrests hundreds of people after Istanbul mayor protests. Islamic State killed dozens in mosque attack in Niger Republic. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. You can follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment and share. Thank you and see you next.